Google Analytics let you know visitor interaction on your website. Tracking the performance of your website is crucial for your business success. Hi, I am Khalid. Today I am going to show you how to set up Google Analytics for your website tracking. Google Analytics is a tool that helps you measure how people use your website or app, such as which pages they visit, how long they stay, which actions they take, etc. So, if you are interested to monitor how your website is performing, at first you should link Google Analytics tool to your website. Right now I am showing you how to set up Google Analytics with a website. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you like. For more free tools, tutorials and offers, you can visit the link provided in this video description. So this is my website. Now to link Google Analytics with the website, I need to create a Google Analytics account at first. Let's search for the Google Analytics tool. Click on Analytics Tools and Solutions. Click on Get Started Today. You will get option to create a Google Analytics account using your Gmail account. You can use your existing Gmail or create a new Gmail account for creating Google Analytics account. Here I am selecting my existing Gmail account, provide authentication, press Next. Placing my Google Analytics account name here. Under a single account, you can link multiple websites. You can select the options you prefer under Account Data Sharing Settings. It will restrict or allow Google authority to access and interact your relevant resources. I am selecting Google Products and Services also. So this is my Google Analytics account name. Click Next. Here I am giving a property name so that it can hold my website measurement and relevant data. Select reporting zone and currency. You can edit these property details later, also as an admin. Click Next. Provide your business details here. Select industry category and business size. Press next. You can select your business objectives here so that you will get perfect reporting, that's personalized reporting for your business. Now press create. You can get through Google Analytics terms of service here. Choose your country here. For me, it is Bangladesh. Tick the required conditions. And then accept. Here you can set up data collection options for your website or app. I am choosing web option. And placing my website URL here. Placing a stream name also for this website on Google Analytics. Click on Configure. It will give options to configure enhanced measurement facility for your website. Click on Save. Now click on Create and Continue. Start collecting data regarding the website. It may take up to 48 hours to get started. Here it gives me a Google tag so that I can paste it within the code of every page of my website. Now I am going to show you how can you place this code manually in your website. I can copy the code by clicking on this copy icon. You can also click here to see tag instructions. So click on View Tag Instructions to get Google Tag installation instructions. Click on Install manually. You can copy the Google Tag code by clicking on this icon also. So click on the icon to copy the code. Now log in to the WordPress admin area of your website. To paste the Google Tag code in the website, let me use a plugin to inject the code in each page of my website. To install plugin, locate plugin and then click on Add New Plugin. Write header footer post injection in the search box next to search plugins. So header footer post injection plugins appears here. Let me click on install now. Installing. Installed already. Now click on activate to start working with this plugin. So the plugin is activated. To paste the code using the installed plugin, locate settings and then click on header and footer. It shows a plugin interface to paste the Google Analytics tag code. So paste the code here. And click on Save to keep the changes. Now the Google Tag code is saved successfully in each page of my website. To check this code in any page of my website, let me browse my website and view page source. Now press Ctrl F to find any text and write gtag.js or any part of the Google code in the search box. Then press Enter. We see that Google code is available in this page now. It means Google tag is already copied in each page of my website. So I have successfully linked Google Analytics with my website. Hope that you enjoy the video. If you have any more question addressing this video guide on how to set up Google Analytics for website tracking, you can send your queries in these video description links and comments. If you want to know how to set up Search Console for a website, you can check the link below this video. Search Console helps you know how your website performs in Google search results. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and get in touch with FiberCrest for more awesome upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.